Well, thank you for joining me on this question. I'm looking at the surface area of this triangular prism solid. So we've got 5 sides to do. So let's call this side just the front side, and I'll just name that F. And we've got the back is the same as the front, so I'll put the back. So let's just find those firstly. So we've got the front is a triangle, so it's half base times perpendicular height. Now looking at this triangle, it doesn't have a perpendicular height. So what we could do is say, well, maybe there's a different approach here, because we've got 6, 10, and 8. Now any triangle, and this is a tough one for most people to know. A 3, 4, 5 triangle works as Pythagoras, because 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. And if you any double or any multiple of 3, 4, 5, so 6, 8, 10. So if this was 6, and if this is 8, and this is 10, 36 plus 64 equals 100. Well, it just so happens that this triangle in our diagram happens to be a right angle triangle. And that's really a difficult question. We should have put the right angle up here so that we knew to use, say, 6 as the base and 8 as the perpendicular height, and not to use 10 at all. So let's do that. So we've got half base of 6, height of 8, half of 6 8 is 48, half of 48 is 24. You could put that in your calculator. And we've got the front. Now we also know that the back is also 24 square centimeters. Now we've got 3 more sides to do. So let's have a look at let's just get rid of the red area and say we've already done that. And let's look at, say, this green area here. That would be 14 long, 8. That would be 14 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. So let's do that one. So we've got that right side is length times width, so that's 14 by 8, and on the calculator 14 times 8 is 112 square centimeters, so that's 112 square centimeters. Let's get a different side now. Let's say we've already got that one. Let's look at, say, the yellow side, and that's this side over there, and that would be 14 long by 6 centimeters. So let's do that one. So we'll call that the left side. The left side, length times width, so it's 14 times 6, and 14 times 6 is 84 square centimeters. We've got one more surface to do, and that is the floor area. So we've got that floor area, and that was 14 meters this way and 10 meters that way, so it's centimeters times 10 centimeters, and that would be the floor. So the floor, length times width, 14 times 10, so it's 140 square centimeters. That's it. We got all 5 areas. We can get the total area. The total surface area is 24 plus 24 plus 112 plus 84 plus 140. So 24 plus 24 plus 112 that wall, plus 84 for that side, plus 140 for the floor, and we've got 384 square centimeters. Do we need it to any decimal places? No, that will be fine. Just 384 square centimeters. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.